Next is we have your cognitive behavioral therapy. Familiar kayo dito? Cognitive behavioral therapy. So, pag sinabi natin cognitive behavioral therapy, ito yung strategy that we use to employ or to modify the beliefs and attitudes of the patient. So, usually ginagamit ito sa mga patients na may behavioral disorders, no? So, what we do here is we try to correct the behaviors and attitudes of that person in a way that we are not judging the patient, okay, based on their individualism or being individual as a person. Okay, so examples of this therapy we have teaching thought substitution. Okay, or yung tawag dito, pag-divert ng mga iniisip natin sa mga bagay-bagay na nakaka-induce ng ng problem psychiatrically sa ating patients, no? So we teach thought substitution. Ano pa? We identify problem-solving strategies to our patient. So we help them how to solve problems, or we give them tasks that will enable them to solve their problems. Finding ways to modify negative self-talk. Okay? So especially common to sa mga may depression. So we identify the things that makes them depressed. So kung negative self-talk yung kanyang problem, then we try to modify and change this negative self-talk into positive one. Other examples, we have your role playing and modeling coping strategies. So usually, ginagamit to siya pag hindi effective yung ibang mga strategies na na-mention natin on the first three items.